Two-axis turning. How to create two-axis turning operations. In this video, we will introduce rough turning, finish turning, threading, groove, and part-off operations. Use the planar section feature to create the section profile of an XY datum. Now blank the shape. Create a line in the middle. Trim the side curve. Then delete 1/2 of the curve to keep the correct section profile of the turning shape. After that, create a cam plan with the default template. Adjust the view for clear observation. Next, click Stock to create machining stock. Select cylinder type and set the radius to 37 mm, height positive direction 1 and negative direction 20. Then click OK. Click Yes to hide the stock. Then define the machining feature. Right-click the part, then Add Feature. Choose Profile Type, pick all of the curves. Set feature type as part and make sure the direction is counterclockwise. Next step is creating the operation. First is facing cut operation. Select Profile 1. In the Tool Manager, input OD1 as the tool name. Then click Yes to calculate the tool path. Double-click Parameters to edit. Set the station point to 25, 60, 0. Then calculate again. Double-click the operation icon to hide the tool path. Click Turning Rough Operation and select Profile 1. Pick Tool OD1. Then click No button to check the parameters. Keep all the parameters as default. Calculate. Now, define the station point inputting 25, 60, 0. Then calculate again. Check the difference. Next, set the limiting parameters. Define the left and right trim point. Here you will get this tool path. In the path setting, change the cut strategy to see the difference. This is the vertical cutting toolpath. Try the pattern repeat type. This is the new toolpath. Set the number of cuts to 10. Now we get this final toolpath. Double-click on Rough Turn 1 to hide the toolpath. Let's create the third operation, Finish Turning. Click the Finish Cut operation. Select Profile 1 and select OD1 as the tool. First, keep all parameters in default and calculate the toolpath. Next, define the station point with 25, 60, 0 and calculate again. The difference will be obvious. In Link and Lead tab, set Extend Distance to 2 mm for lead in and lead out. The toolpath will extend on both sides. Double-click to hide the toolpath. Create the fourth operation, Groove Operation. Machining feature Profile 1. Define the tool. Name it Groove 1 and click OK. Double-click on Parameter. Set the station points to 25, 60, 0. Then click Calculate. Blank the toolpath. Moving on, create threading operation and select Profile 1. Name the tool Thread 1, accept the default parameters, click OK. Then, on the Path Setting tab, input 25, 60, 0 as the station points. and define the cut position. Now click Calculate to get the threading tool path. In the Link and Lead tab, set Extend Distance to 2 mm to extend the toolpath on two sides. This is our desired result. Double-click to blank the threading tool. Next, creating the drill operation, select Profile 1 as the feature. Double-click on Tool and input Drill 8 as the name. Set Type to Drill and change the diameter to 8 mm. Click OK to finish. Double-click on Parameter. Select the drill type to PEC drill. Depth value 18. In Path Setting, set the Tool Home Start and Tool Home End to 25, 60, 0. Then calculate the drill toolpath. Blank the toolpath by double-clicking on the icon. The last operation is Part Off. Select Profile 1 as the feature. Next, define the tool. Name it Part Off. Check the parameters. In the Path setting, define the cutoff point and set the station point as 25, 60, 0, then calculate. Change the geometry corner to Chamfer type and width to 2 mm. Now, this is the final toolpath. Double-click to hide the toolpath. Double-click on Machine, name it Turning. Select the ZW_turning_FANUC.post from the list. Click Tool Changer. Pick Add All. Click OK to save. Last thing is to output the NC to get the NC code. With this video, all operations of two-axis turning have been introduced.